Hi everyone, just wanted to go through a couple of things with your emails. First of all, it's just about checking if you are working online or offline, so you do receive your emails. So if you see down the bottom here, you've got this little working offline notification. When you're looking in your inbox, what I want you to do is go to the Send and Receive tab at the top and just check this box here is not grayed out, the working offline. If you click on it, it'll tell you it's trying to connect and it will reconnect with the servers and keep you updated with all of your emails, and then it'll say it's connected. So that's the first thing, making sure you are working online. The second thing is making sure you get the notifications. So in the file and then options, we have lots of different menus here. Okay, so we're going to look at mail particularly today, and we're looking at the messages arriving. So when a new message arrives, we want it to play a sound. Might want it to briefly change the mouse pointer. We want it to show a little envelope in the taskbar. And you might even want to put a little pop-up display, so it'll come up over in the bottom right here that'll tell you who the email is from, or it might be just the subject line of the email. So those things are all different options that you can choose to have on or off. When you've made your selections there, you just click OK, and you will then receive notifications for your emails as they arrive. So I hope that's helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.